Hi everybody, I hope that you are safe and sound. Today's topic is about collocation. Maybe the first question that comes into your mind is, what is collocation? Let me explain to you with an easy and clear example that you understand it as good as possible. As you can see in the picture, there is a glass of tea. There are two sentences there, and let's see which one is right and which one is wrong. I prefer strong black tea. I prefer heavy black tea. So which one seems more correct? What do you think about it? Which one is more correct? Strong or heavy? Let's see what is the answer. As you can see, I prefer strong black tea is right. Although the other one is right grammatically, but it doesn't seem correct to the native speakers. So now let me tell you the definition and the meaning of collocations. Collocation means a word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase. They are frequently used together. Or it means that some words fit together and some words don't fit together. As you can see in the picture, collocation has a key role in English, and we will come to it as soon as possible. So for better understanding, let me give you more examples. Keep in mind, keep in touch, do the laundry. I hope that you know the meanings of these collocations. Have fun. Give examples. I want to give examples about collocation. Give someone a right. Give someone a favor. I wanted just to give you a grasp of collocations. So in this part, let's see the right and wrong usage of collocation. So, what do you think? Fast food or quick food? Which one is right? Take a nap or make a nap? A quick glance or a fast glance? Make room or make place? Answer the door or respond the door? Heavy rain or strong rain? As you see, the left column is the right one and the right column is the wrong usage of collocations. So let's go to the very important question, and it is, why do we learn collocations? Why? Why collocations, and what are the impacts of collocation on English? I just tell you 9 reasons why collocations are extremely important for those who want to learn English or for English students. Do you like to speak naturally and fluently? Do you like to have native-like English? And do you want to boost your vocabularies? I know a lot of students have pause in their speaking, and they really don't know what is the reason behind it. And one of the reasons is collocations. With collocation, you can express your ideas clearly. You can beautify your English. You can make your English interesting for the readers and for the listeners. You know, linguistically talking, words in chunks or words in blocks are easier for the brain to remember. And that's why collocations are easier to remember than the words. And those applicants for Toefl test and for Ielts test, I just recommend you highly to study collocations and learn them as efficient as possible. So yet comes the next question, how to learn collocations. Some of the students are telling, oh, I cannot learn collocations, or it is hard to remember them because they don't know the methodology of learning, or they don't know the real way or the real method to learn. You need to study a lot. You need to read books, newspapers, magazines, and other real sources. Watch movies, listen to music. You know, what is important is to underline the collocations, or you can highlight with highlighter. It is important that you review regularly. Make flashcards or write them on your note papers, and it is important that you have regular revision of collocations. Another thing that is important is to learn the collocations in groups or by topics. You can make topics like features, home, city, or other topics as you wish. Try to make a short story or a short text, because in this way you can write and review the collocations. So these are the ways that you can learn collocations better. The next thing is types of collocations. So we have different types of collocation. I have just classified them for you, and let's take a look at it. The first type is adverb plus adjective. Let's see the examples. Completely satisfied, fully aware. I am fully aware of this matter. Highly recommended. So collocations are highly recommended. The next one is adjective plus noun. And let's look at the examples. Regular exercise, heavy traffic, big improvement. If you like to have a big improvement in your English, it is better to learn collocations. And the third type is noun plus noun. For example, round of applause, departure time, office job. And the next type is noun plus verb. For example, dogs bark, lion roars, snow was falling, that plane took off and I missed it. And the next type, number 5, is verb plus noun. For example, do homework, give a presentation or give a speech, make a choice or make a decision. You better make a decision right now to learn collocations. And number 6 is verb plus expression with prepositions. For example, run out of time, put off the decision. I think it is not rational to put off the decision to learn collocations. Burst into tears. I burst into tears when I hear you don't learn collocations. And the next one, number 7, is verb plus adverb or vice versa. For example, speak loudly, criticize harshly, whispered softly. I heard that they were whispering softly that they are going to learn collocation. And number 8 is nouns and prepositions. For example, example of. This is a good example of collocation. Relationship with, fear of. And the next and the last type is adjectives and prepositions. For example, good at, bad at, experienced in, skilled in, sorry about, I'm sorry about this, terrible at, I'm terrible at remembering the names, ashamed of, wrong with. What's wrong with you that you're not going to learn collocations? Now I'm pretty sure that you know what is collocation. I hope that you have the motivation to start it now, because now I'm pretty sure that you are fully aware of the impacts and effects of collocations on your English. If you like the movie, don't forget to subscribe and have a good time.